Good morning, my dear students. This is Mr. Naidu, Mathematics faculty. 18 years experience in mathematics in corporate colleges. Okay, students. Today we are going to discuss about previous JEE Mains questions. First we discuss it about the first morning shift. Okay, students. Right now, students. Okay, students, now the first one, if y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the both parabolas y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 2by, then the value of p. Dear students, we know that the condition for the circle, everybody know that. What is the condition for the circle? R equal to d. If the line y equal to mx plus c be a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square, undoubtedly students, we got c square equal to r square into 1 plus m square. This is from r equal to d. Okay, students, r is the radius, d is the students perpendicular distance from center to the line, that is m square plus 1. When we are taking r equal to d for the tangent r equal to d, this is the mod c by root of m square plus 1, that is c square equal to r square into m square plus 1. Okay, students, the next condition, student, for the parabola we know that c equal to a by m. So everybody know that the condition that the line y equal to mx plus c may be a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4ax is c equal to a by m. We have to know that the condition that the line y equal to mx plus c may be a tangent to the ellipse is c square equal to a square m square plus b square. So the condition for the line y equal to mx plus c may be a tangent to the hyperbola is c square equal to a square m square minus b square. So students, here in the expression in the JEE Mains and advanced point of view, they are asking only the mixed concepts. So dear students, what is there here? So the first one, the given line is y equal to mx plus 4. Yes, y equal to mx plus 4 is a tangent to the both parabolas. My dear students, first we take in here, this is what x square equal to 4ax. Suppose this is another one, x square equal to 4by. This is the common tangent. Okay, students, right now we know that what is the line is given that y equal to mx plus 4. This is we have to compare with y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. So dear student, the given parabola is y square equal to 4x. This is we have to compare with y square equal to 4ax. So dear students, the value of 4a equal to 4, the value of a equal to 1. My dear students, this is what c equal to 4. When you have to compare them here, c is the 4. What is the students? We know that the condition for the line y equal to mx plus c may be a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4ax is c equal to a by m. So students, we know that the condition is c equal to a by m. So c is the 4, a is the 1. So students, the value of m equal to 1 by 4. Now students, this is y equal to mx plus 4 is also tangent to the x square equal to 2by. Dear students, we have to know that the position of the line. What is the position? Suppose if you are taking the parabola here, this is intersect the parabola in two distant points. This is touch the parabola one and only one point. This is neither touch nor meets. In this case, if you know the formula c equal to a by m, no problem. If you forget it, undoubtedly what is the general process? That is, for tangent delta equal to 0. For tangent delta equal to 0. If the line intersect the parabola, that is the discriminant greater than 0. Here neither touch nor meets, the discriminant is less than 0. This concept is either it is a circle or parabola, ellipse or hyperbola. We can apply any conic section. Is it clear, students? Just you have to take in the left hand side either x or y, then it will be substituting the conic, then you got the quadratic equation either x or y. When it is a tangent, undoubtedly the discriminant will be 0. Now students, what we observed here, the m is we got 1 by 4. That line is also, my dear students, the y equal to mx plus 4 is also tangent to the, we can write y equal to mx plus 4 is also tangent to the, is also tangent to the x square equal to 2by. What is the students? This is also tangent to the x square equal to 2by. Now students, the x square equal to, we are taking 2b. What is the y is there? mx plus 4. What is the students? Y is mx plus 4. Now students, this is a quadratic equation. X square minus 2b mx. This is what? Minus 8b equal to 0. What is the students? X square minus 2b mx minus 8b. This is a quadratic equation. Okay students? This is a quadratic equation for the tangent. Just now we discussed about this. For any tangent we have to take discriminant will be the 0. What is the student? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. This is the students, b square is 4b square m square. This is the x coefficient is the b, ax square plus bx plus c. This is we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c. B square is 4b square m square minus 4ac. Dear students, minus 4ac minus minus plus 4 8s is 32b. Now students, we know that the value of m is, what is the value of m? This is what? 1 by 4. My dear students, right now we observe the 4b square. This is the students 1 by 16. After then 32b equal to 0. Now student, divided by 4b on both sides. This is what? Now this is 4 1 jar, 4 4 jar. My dear student, divided by b. Here b is not 0. When you are taking the b 0, then the parabola will be the 0. So students, here b is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0. Therefore, the another condition, when you are divided by b, then it is b plus, my dear students, the b by 4 plus is there 32 equal to 0. Is there b square, is there 4 plus 32 divided by b on both sides. B is the common, no doubt at all. When you are taking the b is the common, dear students, b into b square, that is 32b. Now student, then this is sending to the other side. What is there? When you are taking the LCM, this is 128. So students, b equal to minus of 128. Dear students, how is it? First we have to compare the line y equal to mx plus c for the standard form. Then you are taking c equal to a by, c equal to a by m. In this case we got only m. And this is also tangent to the second parabola. In this case we don't know the formula, that's why we are taking the method. For the tangent, discriminant will be the 0. Discriminant is the b square minus 4ac. In that case we got b by 4 plus 32 equal to 0. B equal to minus 128. Okay students, understand this one? My dear students, this is related to the complex numbers. It is also quite simple. So many questions are there in complex numbers based on Coni's theorem, Turpin's rotation theorem, geometrical applications. So many questions are there, but they are asking only very simple question. So what is the question, students? This is real part of z minus 1 upon 2z plus I equal to 1. Dear students, when we can apply the real part of z is there, x plus iy minus 1 upon 2 into x plus iy plus I equal to 1. Okay students, here the z is the x plus iy minus 1, 2 into x plus iy plus I. My dear students, we observe here, this is x plus iy minus 1. This is what? 2x. After then, I is the common, 2y plus 1 into I. This is equal to 1. Okay students, now when the denominator is there, complex number, undoubtedly we are taking the rationalization. This is what students? X minus 1 plus iy upon 2x, 2y plus 1 into I into this is what? 2x minus 2y plus 1 into I upon 2x minus 2y plus 1 into I. This is equal to 1. Dear students, how can we write this is the real part of, this is the students, what is the real part? Here we observe, what is the real part of this one? So directly students, the x minus 1 into 2x, undoubtedly this is the real part. So dear students, this is x minus 1 into 2x. Suppose student the x minus 1 into this I, that is imaginary part. We are taking only the real part. After then students, iy into 2x, this is imaginary part. Plus into minus, minus, I into I square. I square is also minus, minus minus plus. Therefore, y into 2y plus 1 upon a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is the students, 2x whole square is the 4x square minus b square is minus b square, I square is the minus 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 plus. This is 2y plus 1 whole square equal to, given that the real part of this one is equal to 1. Okay students, now this is 2x into x, 2x square minus 2x. After then student is there 2y square plus 2y. This is what? 4x square. My dear students, this is also, this will be sending other side, 4y square plus 4y plus 1. Dear student, these all terms sending to the other side. What are the remaining? 2x square. 4y square minus 2y square is 2y square. The minus 2x is the plus 2x. So what students? Minus 2x is the plus 2x. This is the students 2y square. This is the y only, y into 1 y. Plus y is sending other side. 4y minus y, 3y. After that students, only the constant is there 1. So how to write the student? First 4x square minus 2x square, 2x square. Minus 2x is sending other side, plus 2x. 4y square minus 2y square, 2y square. Plus y is the minus y. Now student, divided by 2. This is x square plus y square plus x plus 3 by 2y plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Now this is the equation of the circle. Their options is given that center and the radius. Dear students, what is the center? The center is the form minus g comma minus f. This is minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Now the radius is the students. What is the radius? G square 1 by 4. What is the form of the radius? G square plus f square minus c. This is what students? The g square is 1 by 4. This is 9 by 16 minus c minus 1 by 2. Okay students? So dear students, here we are taking the radius is the 1 by 16. 4 4s are plus 9 minus 8. This is what students? This is r equal to root of 5 upon 4. This is the radius. So the diameter is the students root of 5 by 2. 2r is the diameter. that is the root of pi by 2. The suitable option is the root of pi by 2 is the diameter. Okay students? So the center is the minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 and the diameter is the root 5 by 2. Okay students? It is also students very easiest question. So dear students, the distance between the foci of the ellipse 6 and the distance between the directrix is 12. Then the length of its lattice rectum. Dear students, it is also one of the easiest question. So we will discuss right now the distance between the foci and distance between the directrix. We know that the formulas 2AE and 2A by E. Okay students? So we will discuss more concepts in the future classes. Okay students, undoubtedly we will discuss definitely students the more concepts in the next classes. Okay students, right now only today we are going to discuss some only previous questions. Okay students, so this is also students very easiest question. So for the JEE Mains point of view, so we know that especially for mathematical questions, they are asking only very conceptual questions, very substandard questions. You can think in positive way, undoubtedly the mains point of view, the mathematics is the very easiest. So dear students, just you can observe, this is the only very easiest question, just like it is a board examination questions. Yes or no? Very few questions. The majority of questions, 80% of questions, like a same, the last question and previous question, and this is also. So students, you are when you are perfect all concepts, undoubtedly the JEE Mains is very easy. So dear students, the distance between the foci, we have to know that the distance between the foci, that is what? SS dash is given that 6. SS dash is given that 6. Dear students, when it is a 6, 2AE equal to 6. Therefore, the value of AE is the 3. What is the students? The distance between the SS dash is 6. Undoubtedly 2A is the 6, AE is the 3. But dear students, now we are taking the distance between the directrix. What is the student the distance between the directrix? This is the Z, this is the Z dash. So the distance between the directrix is, everybody know that is nothing but Z dash. What is given that? The Z dash is the 12. What is the students? That is 12. Undoubtedly, it is 2A by E equal to 12. And as students, the A by E is the 6. What is happening here? Now students, when you can multiplication this one, the AE is multiple with this one. AE equal to A by E. This is what? 18. So students, the A square equal to 18. A equal to root of 18. 9 2s are 3 root 2 is the E. A. Now students, what is the eccentricity? AE equal to 3. Yes students, now this is E equal to 3 by A. That is 3 by, what is the A? 3 root 2. Dear students, the eccentricity value is the root 2. Now students, we have to know that in an ellipse, the B square is the form. Everybody know that the B square is the form A square into 1 minus A square. In a hyperbola, the B square is the formula A square into E square minus 1. So students, here we can written as the B square equal to, what is the value of A square is 18. So this is 18 into 1 minus the value of E square is 1 by 2. This is what? 1 by 2. Now students, this is B square into 18 into 1 minus 1 by 2. This is the students 9. So the value of A square is 18. The value of B square is the 9. They are asking latus rectum. What is the students? Latus rectum. The focal chord is, when the focal chord is perpendicular to the major axis, then it is called latus rectum. Then the focal chord is perpendicular to the major axis, then it is called latus rectum. So students, the length of the latus rectum, we know that 2b square by a. What is the students? 2b square by a. So students, the b square is 9. Yes. 2 into 9. What is the a? A is the students 3 into 2. So this is what? 3 into root 2. Dear students, undoubtedly this is 6 by root 2. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So students, this is 6 root 2 by 2. We are taking into root 2 by root 2. Okay students, this is 6 root 2 by 2. This is 3 root 2 is the required answer. So, very easiest one. The distance of the foci is 6. Distance of the directrix is the 12. This is, we know that 2a. This is the 2a by e. From this information, first we find a. After that we first find e. Then you know that the b square is the form a square into 1 minus a square. So b square is the 9. Yes students, the length of the latus rectum is 2b square by a. Okay students? My dear students, now the next question. This is y equal to y of x is the solution of the differential equation. What is the students? E power y equal to dy by dx minus 1 equal to e power x, such that x equal to 0, then y equal to 0, then we find the value of y at x equal to 1. So students, the first given differential equation is dy by dx minus 1 equal to e power x by e power y, that is e power x minus y. Now students, when we are taking x minus y equal to t, the derivative of x is 1, the derivative of y dy by dx, the derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, this is dt by dx. So student, is there dy by dx minus 1 minus dt by dx. So students, this is minus dt by dx e power x minus y we take t. So how to write this is the students? Just you can write minus of e power minus t dt equal to dx. Right now we are taking variable suburban and applying on both sides integrals. 1 by e power t, that is e power minus t into dt, integral of 1 dx. My dear students, e power minus t is the integral is e power minus t by minus 1. Minus of minus plus e power minus t, integral of 1 dx is the x plus c. So students, how can you write this is what students? E power minus t. So we know that e power minus t what? The e power minus t is the students, this is minus of x minus y equal to x plus c. So dear students, this is e power y minus x equal to x plus c. Is there? Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So dear students, when we are taking x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, this is what? E power 0 1, that is 0 plus c. Dear students, c equal to 1. What is the students? Put x 0, y 0, this is e power 0 is 1. Yes, x is 0, then it's what? C equal to 1. Okay students, my dear students, when you got c equal to 1, this is e power y minus x equal to x plus 1. Dear students, when you can apply the log on both sides, what is this students? Y minus x. When you can take logarithm on both sides, y minus x. So log e is the 1. This is the students log of x plus 1. What is the students? How to write this is? Applying on both sides log e power y minus x, that is y minus x into log a power m is the m log a. Y minus x log e value 1, that is log of x plus 1. Dear students, now we find what we find. the value of y at x equal to 1. That is, students, at x equal to 1, y minus 1 log 2. The y equal to, students, log 2 plus 1 is the required answer. What is the, students? Log of 2. This is the, students, minus 1 is the plus 1. This is log 2. 1 plus log 2 is the value of y. That is nothing but y of 1. Okay, students? Now, students, the greatest positive integer k, for which 49 power k plus 1 is a factor of the sum. Dear students, we observe this is 1 into 49, 49 square, 49 cube. This is in the GP. We know that the sum of the n terms in GP is Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. So, students, the first term is the 1. Common ratio, that is T2 by T1 is the 49. The number of terms 1, 2, 3 and so on 126. How many terms, students? This is 1, 2, 3. Those are 126. Minus 1 upon 49 minus 1 is the 48. So, dear student, this can be written as 1. This can be written as 1 square. A square minus b square is the, students, a plus b into a minus b. This can be written as the, students, the 49 power 63 plus 1 into 49 power 63 minus 1 upon 48. What is the, students? 49 power 63 plus 1 into 49 power 63 minus 1 upon 48. Is there 49 power k plus 1? What is the greatest positive value for k? So this is the, students, 49 power k plus 1 is the factor of this one. So when you can write this is the product of the two terms, then it is must be the factor of this one. So this can be, we can express it as 49 power 63 plus 1 into 40. These two are called as factors of this one. So, students, simply you can recognize what is the greatest positive integer k is the, students, k equal to 63. My dear students, the greatest positive integer is the k is the 63. Okay, students? So, dear students, let P be a plane passing through the 3 points. So, we know that the equation of the plane, what is the, students? The equation of the plane passing through the points. The equation of the plane is passing through the points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. My dear students, the equation of the plane is passing through the points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is, what is the, students? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. What is the, students? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. After that, students, we can written as x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay, students? After that, students, this is x2 minus x1, yes, this is y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. After that, students, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. This is the plane. The plane passing through the points. This is very easiest method to find the equation of the plane. X minus x1, that is x minus 2, y minus y1, y minus 1, z minus 0 is the 0. After that students, x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2, 2, then 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1. Dear students, 5 minus 2 is the 3, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1. This will be equal to 0. Now students, the dead method we know that the x minus 2 into this is the 0, minus of minus plus 1, 0 plus 1 is the 1. So students, minus of y minus 1, this is 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus of minus plus 1. So students, the z into this is what? Minus 2 only equal to 0. This is the students x plus y minus 2z minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. This is the plane equation. Now students, what is the required? R be any point 2, 1, 6. Then find the image of R. What is the students? Then find the image of R. When you know the equation of the plane, the image of R, what is the students? The R be the point 2, 1, 6. Now we have to find the image. The image of R will be the students when we are taking the plane. This is the point R. This is the image. How to find the image? We have to know that the image is the students. Image of R is H, K, L. Dear students, how can you write this is H minus 2 by 1. After that students, K minus 1 upon 1. Is it clear students? Now this is L minus 6 upon minus 2. How to write this is the students? K minus 2 by 1. H minus 2 by 1. K minus 1 by 1 and L minus 6 by upon minus 2. This is, we know that minus 2 into AX1, that is the 2, Y is the 1 and minus 12 minus 3 upon A square plus B square plus C square is 1 plus 1 plus 4. So this is the students, the image must be, just you can find the H and K and L values. Dear students, we got H, K, L. After simplification, dear students, the H, K, L is the 6, 5, minus 2. What is the students? 6, 5, minus 2. Write down students. My dear students, this is the question from matrices. The system of linear equations. Many times, so many times they are asking these type questions. Non-zero solution or infinity many solutions or trivial solution. Is it clear students? What happened? Once again students, the singular, non-singular. Non-singular means that not equal to 0. Singular means that is 0. The system of linear equations we observed here, this is the all are homogeneous equations. They are not containing the constants x, y, z, x, y, z. So this question they are asking in JEE Mains many times, not only this time. So, but they are asking in different approach. So singular, non-singular. Singular means that will be the 0. Singular is the non-trivial. Okay students? At the same time, non-singular means trivial. So here they are asking sometimes non-zero solution. Sometimes they are asking infinity many solution. Sometimes they are asking it has a non-trivial solution. So these all cases are same. These all cases are same. Simply we observe that that will be the 0. We have to know that that is not equal to 0. There is a unique solution that is x equal to y equal to z0, that is for only board examinations. When it is a unique solution, undoubtedly the det will be the not equal to 0. When the determinant is 0, undoubtedly there is a non-zero solution or infinity many solution or a non-trivial solution. Okay students? So please remember it. This is the very one of the important model. So that's why 2a. This is the 2, 3b, b. And 2 and 4c and c is det equal to 0. So dear students, 2a, 2 3b, b and 2 4c, c. Now dear students, what is the common term in the first column? Is the 2 is there. So when you are taking the 2 is the common in the first column, this is the property of the determinants. We are taking either common, we select either row or a column, but not each element in the det. So in the first column 2 is there. 2 is the common is there. That is 1, 1, 1. So students, 2a. After then 3b. After then 4c. Now students, a, b, c. This is the property. So when the any column or row is 1, undoubtedly we are taking here R1 is replaced by R1 minus R2. This is the student 2 is sending other side. 0 by 2 is the 0. So 1 minus 1 is the 0. This is the students 2a minus 3b. This is what? A minus b. Okay students, how to write? The R2 also replaced by R2 minus R3. My dear students, R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. This is what? So 1 minus 1, 0. This is 3b minus 4c. This is b minus c. 1, 4c, c. This will be, that will be the 0. Then students, when the det will be the 0, just you can observe the students, the AD minus BC, 0 minus 0, 1 into. AD minus BC will be the 0. So students, now this is, now first multiple with B. Dear student, this is when the two elements are 0 in a row or a column, 0 into minus 0 into 1 into. 1 into this one. First you have to multiple with B. Dear students, that is 2A minus 3B into B minus C minus of, what is the students? A minus B into 3B minus 4C equal to 0. So dear students, right now this is, how to multiple with B? This is 2AB. This is minus 3B square. After that students, this is what? We can written as minus 2AC minus 3BC. Dear students, what we observe, this will be sending other side, minus is the plus. First we have to multiply with 3. 3AB minus 4AC. Then it is what? Minus 3B square minus minus plus 4BC. Dear students, what we observed here, minus 3B square is cancelled. Now how many AB terms are there? Dear students, just you can observe here, this is what students? 2AB minus 3BC minus 2AC. This is what? 3AB. This is what students? Minus 4AC plus 4BC. So dear students, just you can observe what is there. Minus 3BC is there here. So this is what students? Minus 3BC is there. This is sending other side. 4BC and 2AC is there. That will be also sending other side. 6AC. My dear students. My dear students, what is the calculation here? This is the 2AB minus 3B square. When you have to multiple with minus, this is minus 2AC minus minus plus 3BC. So dear students, what is happened here? When you have to minus term is sending other side plus, this is 3AB minus 4AC and minus 3b square minus means plus. So students, we observed here what is there, 2ab plus 3bc minus 2ac. Now students, just we observe 3ab and 3bc terms are sending other side. Yes, minus 4ac sending other side. This is 2ac. So students, what is there? The 2ab is sending to the other side. That is minus 2ab. That is undoubtedly ab. So students, the 3bc is sending other side, minus 4bc. This is also bc. Now students, what we observed, that 2ac equal to ab plus bc is there, divided by abc on both sides. What is the students? Divided by abc on both sides. This is what students? 2 by b. Yes, 2 by b. After then, ab cancel. This is what? 1 by c. bc cancel. 1 by a. My dear students, we have to know that 2b equal to a plus c, abc are in ap. What is the students? When it is 2b equal to a plus c, a comma b comma c are in ap. So the calculation is different. Here that is a small difficulty is there. So directly you can write 1 by a comma 1 by b comma 1 by c are in ap. At the same time, 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c are in ap. Dear students, when you can observe here, when you are taking the LCM AC, this is a plus c, then after the reciprocal, then you can write b equal to 2ac by a plus c, abc are in HP. But they are asking in different approach. Directly we have to know that 2 by b equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c, abc are in HP. The reciprocal of HP is AB, that is 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c are in AP. Is it clear, student? This can be also we can written as, how to write this is, when you are taking the b is a common, undoubtedly dear students, a plus c, this will be sending other side, 2ac, this is also simply you can written as 2ac by a plus c equal to b. This is what? We know that abc are in AP, b equal to, what is the students? ABC are in AP, B equal to A plus C by 2. ABC are in GP, the B equal to root of AC. ABC are in HP, B equal to 2AC by A plus C. This is nothing but when you are taking C is common, B equal to 2AC by A plus C. Simply you can written as ABC are in HP. But the options are given that 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. So here dear students, undoubtedly in the maths is, be careful about the get. So when you can find the determinant, undoubtedly some calculation mistakes undoubtedly arise. Definitely students, minimize the silly mistake in the JMS. Now the next question. Dear students, the one more question in matrices. They are asking two questions in JEE Mains from matrices. Those are all very easy, students. Right now, first we find alpha be the root of the equation. Here students, we have to know that the x square plus x plus 1 having the two roots omega and omega square. So dear students, omega and omega square. So when you are multiple with omega cube equal to undoubtedly 1, everybody know that. Dear students, here the x equal to omega and omega square. That is the students 1 plus or minus minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2 omega. When you are taking the plus sign, minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 omega. Omega square is the minus 1 minus root 3i by 2 is the omega square. And also students, the omega cube is also 1. So students, here the a equal to 1 by root 3, 1 omega square. We are taking alpha be the root. Yes, alpha be the root of the equation. First you are taking either alpha, omega or omega square. If you are taking alpha equal to omega, this is omega square. After then omega omega square. Omega power 4 is omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1. This is what? Omega. So students, now we find a square. A square is a into a. This is 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, 1 by 9. So students, you can write 2 times 1 1 1, 1 omega omega square, 1 omega square omega into 1 1 1. After that 1 omega omega square, 1 omega square omega. So my dear students, the a square into 1 by 9, how to write this is? You can observe, this is what? First row is multiple with this one, that is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. This is 1 plus omega square is 0. This is 1 plus omega square plus omega. We have to know that 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square is also 0. Dear students, now this is, we have to multiple with this one. 1 plus omega square is 0. Yes. This is also you have to multiple with, this is 1. Omega square. Omega power 4 is, that is also 0. Now this is the students 1. Omega into omega square, omega cube is 1. This is also 1. 1 plus 1 is the 3. Dear students, this is what? 1. This is omega square. This is omega, this is 3. The third row is this one. This is 1. This is omega cube. What is the students? This is omega cube. What we observed students, when this is the first row is multiple with this one, undoubtedly the student 1 plus omega square plus omega is the 0. This is 1, this is omega cube, this is omega cube, that will be the 3. After that students again 1. This is omega power 4 is omega. This is omega square, this is also 0. This is the students a square. Now students, we can observe what is the students, how to write, this is the a square. Right now students, we have to find a power 4. A power 4 can be written as a square into a square. My dear students, the a square into a square, how to get a square? My dear students, the a square, what is the a square value? The a square value is the students, just we saw that, what is the common in the first row? 3. Yes, it is 3. What is the common in the second row? 3. Third row is the common 3. So my dear students, when we are taking the 3 is the common, so what we observed, dear students, the 3 is the common, this is not a debt, so undoubtedly we can written as 3 by 9, that is 1, 0, yes, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is what students? A square equal to 1 by 3 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Suppose it is a debt, undoubtedly it is a 27. But it's given that brackets are closed or open brackets. Undoubtedly we are taking the 3 is the common in the each element. So 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. My dear students, right now we have to find, what we find the students? A square. A power 4 can be written as a square into a square. This is what students? How can you write a square into a square? My dear students, what is the a square is? A into A. A into A. A into A means what is there? 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, root of 9. Yes. The 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, root of 9, that is 3. My dear students, what we observed here, this is undoubtedly 3 by 3 is the 1. So students, now we can write a square. So just you can observe the students, the a square is a into a, that is 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, 1 by root 9. So omega power 4 is also omega. So this is our observation, omega power 4 can be written as omega cube into omega, that is omega. Now students, the a square is, what is the a square is, we got right now 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. This is a square. My dear students, now this is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. How to write this is? My dear student, the first row is multiple with this one 1. This is what? 0. This is what? 0. Now student, the second row is multiple with 0. Yes, 0 0 0. The second row is multiple with second column 0 0 1. Yes, this is 0 0 0. The last row is multiple with every element 0. This is what students? 0 1 into 0 0. My dear student, the last row is multiple with this one 0 plus 1 plus 0. This is 1. This is what students? I3 unit matrix. What is the students? Unit matrix. A4 is the students, we got I. They are asking about a power 31. My dear students, the a power 31 can be written as, how to write this is a power 4. Just to we find out, the a power 4 is the I power 7, nearer to the 31. 4 into 7, 28. 28 plus 3. What is the students? 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 is the 31. A power 4 is the students I power 7. I power 7 is the students I into a cube. I into a cube is the students a cube. So the required suitable option is the a cube. Okay students, write down. They are asking from what is the students? Algebraic matrices one question, and also the another one is the students, that is the linear matrices. Okay students, so in the first morning shift they are asking only two questions. The first one is the linear of the matrices and second one is the algebraic of the matrices. Okay, dear students, the area of the region by the circle which is not common to the region bounded by the parabola and the line. So students, we observe here, this is what? The point of intersection of these. This is the students y square x equal to y. Therefore, y is the common, y minus 1. Y is the 0 and y is the 1. When we are taking y equal to 0, this is x equal to 0. Y equal to 1, x equal to 1. Since is there students, y square equal to x and y equal to x. So student, this is x square plus y square equal to 2. This is the parabola. This is the y square equal to 4ax. This is the line. Y equal to x. This is what students? 0. These are intersect. So dear students, when we are taking this is 1, undoubtedly, my dear students, what is there? When we are taking x is 1, y is also 1. So students, x is 1, y is 1. This is the point 1 comma 1. So first we have to find this area. This is a common to the parabola and the line that will be subtracted from area of the circle. We have to know that area of the circle is pi r square. Area of the circle. That is the students x square plus y square equal to r square. This is the 2 pi. First we have to find the area of this region. Dear student, this is 0 to 1. This is the above curve. What is there? Y equal to root of x minus x dx. Is it clear students? Root of x minus x. So y1 minus y2. Dear student, this will be x power 3 by 2, 2 by 3 minus x square by 2, the 0 to 1. So students, when we are substituting 1, this is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. When you are taking 0, this will be the 0. My dear students, what is this? We can take LCM is the 6. This is a 4 minus 3 upon 6. This is 1 by 6. Dear student, the required area is, which is not common to the circle. Therefore, dear students, the required area is the 2 pi minus 1 by 6. This is 12 pi minus 1 by 6. That is the required answer. What is the students? 12 pi minus 1. Okay student, this is today's students. Tomorrow we will discuss more questions. Okay students, when the college will starting, when the physical classes are starting, undoubtedly we will discuss more concepts. Okay students, thank you all.